For my piece, I'm going to have the sun or the light source coming in sort of low and from the right side. So all of the left side will be a little bit darker, a little bit cooler. So before I started this morning, I mixed up two grays, one a cooler gray and one a warmer gray. And of course, those will both be listed on the color mix worksheet that I'll load with this class. But the grays are the normal gray that I love to use, which is the phthalo blue and the burnt sienna. And then I added just a little bit of black and a little bit of titanium white, a little heavier to the phthalo for the cool gray, added in some yellow ochre for the warm gray. And really for the ears, I'm just sort of hinting at where some of the dark areas will be, where the lighter areas will be, a little bit of a direction of some of the the hair direction. So I'm watching that in the reference photo. For the eyes, I started out with a burnt sienna, almost pure burnt sienna. I do end up covering most of that, of course, but I do think that that warmth underneath, I know you can't really probably see that too much, but the warmth underneath just helps to add a little bit of warmth to the eyes. In this one, I've started to hint at where the catch light will be, but again, all of it's very loose, um, somewhat messy at this stage.